Welcome back to Tesla Stock News, everyone. Money isn't the only thing at stake here. What matters is the innovation and progress that drive Tesla's business. We're donning our detective hats and setting out on a quest to solve the mysterious riddle of Tesla's actual value in this thrilling film. We're breaking it all down to uncover the secret ingredient that makes Tesla stand out in the automotive universe, from their groundbreaking technology to the varied culture that inspires them. Oh no, let's not stop with the statistics. We're looking ahead at the possibilities that await us on the other side of the horizon. Is Tesla's value going to reverberate across the energy revolution and beyond the balance sheets? Is there a formula that quantifies the combined goals of inventors, visionaries, and enthusiasts? We're tearing down boundaries and sparking conversations that will leave a trail of sparks behind as we assess Tesla's true worth. So buckle on, my friends. This isn't just a trip through data. It's a journey through ambition, innovation, and the unwavering quest of a sustainable future. Keep your mind open, your creativity flowing, and your sense of wonder stoked as we set out on our journey. There are many revelations, surprises, and insightful opportunities waiting to be found on the road ahead. However, before we continue, I kindly ask that you hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News so that you can receive future updates. That being said, let's begin the video. Experts assert that Tesla's stock appears to be greatly undervalued and don't mince words when they say so. They have commended the business for its strong financial standing and respectable profitability. Furthermore, Tesla is a brilliant example of growth, outperforming a staggering 97.26% of businesses in the auto and parts sector. How amazing! The icing on the cake, according to experts, Tesla's stock is currently worth $450. Recall the conversation Elon Musk had with his supporters. It raised an interesting issue about how legacy manufacturers might only adjust their strategies when pressure mounts. Elon added his perspective and discussed Tesla's initiatives to assist other automakers in making the switch to electric autonomy. They have thrown superchargers into the mix, opened their patent vault, and even floated the possibility of licensing their AI system for self-driving cars. Supercharging is a little déjà vu, but will these behemoths embrace fully autonomous vehicles? Now, there's some cool stuff for you if you're like Cybertrucks, and who isn't? We noticed 3 more of those covered Cybertrucks prowling around. An employee of Tesla from China has given the go-ahead, while the official decision is still pending. It is nearly identical to the actual thing. There's more good news, though. For the first half of 2023, Tesla formally claimed the status of being the largest seller of energy storage systems worldwide. On a list previously dominated by Chinese brands like BYD, they have made their mark. At this point, Tesla has a healthy 10% of the 72.4 gigawatt-hour market. Leading Chinese players make up 65% of the total, with other players accounting for the other 25%. In order to meet demand, Tesla is establishing a megapack facility in China so as not to fall behind. Oh, and China is the place to be if you're following the release of new Model 3S. Numerous updated Model 3 vehicles are visible and creating an impression on the roadways. The really shocking part is that Best Buy's US homepage prominently features Tesla's universal wall connector. Hey, not everything is sunshine and butterflies. Senior engineering executive Colin Campbell of Tesla is departing the company to work for GB Straubel's Redwood Materials. Recall that GB is a current board member of Tesla and a co-founder of the company. Colin Campbell made a move that has garnered attention, even if it may be considered a slight conflict of interest. He's now switching after an incredible 17 years of service with Tesla. He began at the bottom and worked his way up to become a senior director in charge of powertrain development. Imagine managing all manufacturing, electrical, and mechanical aspects of high-performance parts such as batteries, charging systems, motors, gearboxes, and electronics for the energy and automotive divisions. Now fast forward to when Campbell was vice president of powertrain at Tesla and is joining Redwood Materials. His latest job, head of technology. Not to mention the stock options that may be included. Redwood Materials has a market value of around $3.7 billion as of July 2021 at the latest. The truth is, though, that smaller businesses frequently provide greater insight into how your efforts impact the bottom line. It is comparable to sowing a seed and seeing it sprout. China is now becoming a safe haven for Tesla deliveries. Our data indicates a healthy 13.9K deliveries, and believe me, that's astounding when you compare it to the Q4 of last year, when things weren't looking so well. Now that they've gotten the hang of things, Tesla has managed to smooth out the quarterly roller coaster. We are in the green when compared to the prior quarter. If the current trend continues, we could see yet another quarter of record-breaking results. Additionally, there are rumors circulating that James is targeting a global delivery count of 470K this quarter, and Gary, well, he has a strong record in his books, some really positive things to say about China's stats, and a reputation for telling things like they are. Hey though, let's take a quick look at Cybertrucks. These futuristic creatures, filth and all, have been spotted in the wild, and they certainly draw attention. Close up, you may notice that some fit and finish adjustments are still pending, although this is typical of early manufacturing. Additionally, keep in mind that these vehicles are prototypes and will only improve with time. Speaking of changing, let's talk about some recent news on Twitter that may cause investors in Tesla to scowl. There's been some talk about how Twitter's rebranding might affect app downloads, which is cause for concern. Elon, nevertheless, is here to reassure us. With 346 billion user seconds each day, and that's not even accounting for a little surge a while back, Twitter is recording some really impressive user engagement numbers. What does this signify? It's similar like discovering a treasure trove of interaction, really. More viewers, advertisements, and money. Furthermore, remember that active users are frequently the ones who are prepared to shell out money for deluxe premium services like Twitter Blue. Additionally, they would all welcome some well-considered user input. It couldn't hurt to add a small edit replies function. And now for the spectacular Tesla procession. Imagine two brand new cars, the Cybertruck and a modified Model 3 for the Highlander version, getting ready to take the road. For fans of Tesla, it's like getting two treats in one. Oh, and keep in mind that the Model 3's redesign may significantly lower its price, expanding Tesla's market reach. In light of markets and trends, let's discuss the sentiment around Tesla stock. The market can be cranky at times, and on Friday it seemed to be ignoring Tesla shares. Hey, but try not to allow the negative energy get to you. It's like having the coolest toy collection on the street when you see the two game-changing cars that are right around the corner. Are you nervous about the swings of stocks? Just a gentle prod to get your lens back in focus. Imagine the Cybertruck, a true beast on wheels, preparing to take the streets. And believe me when I say that things might not seem so bright if you're in the car business and you're not Tesla. Let us now look at megapacks. Some might say this is a bit of a sluggish dance to pick things up. Wait a minute, there's a reason to this insanity. Not only do they have their hands full with megapacks, but also with production plans and an international strategy. And what do you know? Elon is cooking up some international chats, and it looks like France will be the main topic. However, as they say, it's all in the statistics. Well, that's not quite the case with megapacks. The precise number is a little unclear. Rob also said some really sensible things, like everything has a ramp, even battery-filled storage closets. As we discuss stocks, keep in mind that the possibility of a Cybertruck price cut might work like a magic wand to boost the value of Tesla's shares. Higher numbers on the stock charts could indicate a lower cost of construction. Oh, and Forbes' headline about shipping Cybertrucks may have taken a slight detour. No, not to consumers yet. They're simply moving and not parked in driveways. Let's board the rumor train now. In one city, Tesla's name has been circulating a lot. Indeed, discussions have taken place, but are they developing a significant project? Perhaps. Let's hold off on placing our bets, though. These visits are frequently more showy than groundbreaking. The icing on the cake, though, is that Tesla continues to receive praise. Who knew? They've partnered with Lexus to provide luxurious enjoyment. Tesla is a company that offers luxury goods in addition to electric vehicles. Speaking of gaming, VinFast, a Vietnamese EV manufacturer, saw a 114% increase in stock value in a single day. Makes you question whether there's magic in the air regarding the stock market. Finally, just a little humor over a new car with an 82 kilowatt-hours battery that can only go 200 miles. Indeed, it's leaving everyone perplexed. There are instances when the calculations simply don't add up. That concludes the Tesla update for today. Everything from surging stock sentiments to enigmatic megapacks is covered by us. Not to be forgotten, though, is the realm of the constantly shifting stock market, which is both exciting and unpredictable. Do you observe how the market responds? As fascinated by Tesla's every move as I am? It's all guesswork, kind of like a roller coaster trip. What do you think about this interesting dance that occurs between the stock charts, investor mood, and innovation? Now that our conversation has come to an end, I'm interested in hearing your opinions, predictions, and reflections. Please leave a comment below, and together, let's continue the discussion. Talk about the influence of the Cybertruck, the revolution that the Model 3 refresh could bring about, and your insights regarding the dynamic nature of the market. And if you liked this Tesla roller coaster, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News as well. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in our upcoming videos. Until then,